this is how. How do I download that? Stick Warper. This is how do I download it. This is how. I just click it. I just click it. I click it right. I click it. I actually have that. Then how? Stick Warper. I actually have that. Ha 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 ha. Stick Warper. How do I do that? Can I please have a... Can I please? See? I get on save black. I install anyway. And I'm just playing in real life. Okay. Open. And I did this. I did it. I joined in the game. See? It keep crushing me. I can't escape. Oh my god. How do I do this? Or I will unsubs you. Joke lang. Sorry. How do I do this? Please. Tutorial to the next video. Can you make another video with the tutorial?